Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1970 Pontiac GTO. Now, this GTO is a factory-built 455 car. It's a Ram Air 3 455 car, factory 4-speed car, factory power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, functional Ram Air hood, finished in the correct gold with gold interior. This car has been frame off restored. The gentleman that we got the car from had it for a long time. He said it took him 8 to 10 years to fully restore the car. You know, with the price, the labor, and the cost of restoration, he said he just had to do it as he could afford it. So it took 8 to 10 years to get it completed. But it's completed now, and it's absolutely gorgeous car. The interior is beautiful. 4-speed, Hurst shifter. All new interior. Seat covers, carpeting, sail panels, package tray, headliner, sun visors, all in great shape. All the chrome stainless bright work on the car, beautiful shape. Door handles, trim around the windows. It's got the chrome wheel well trim. Yeah, I brought my dog with me this morning. This morning she came to work with me, so you can meet her. Beautiful little car. Ram Air 3 455 car. Open the hood up. Very, very nice underneath the hood. Does have a aluminum intake. Looks like it's got the original Quadrajet on it. Say power steering and brakes. Retains the original exhaust manifolds. Jams are very nice. Got all the seat belts in the car. It's got the correct PMD Rally 2 wheels on it. BF Goodrich all-terrain radial tires. Inside the trunk's very nice. You got the jack, you got the spare, you got the tools, you got the jack instructions, trunk light. Jams are very nice. You can see how nice the chrome bumper is. Same way with this side. Jams. Somebody put the Pontiac GTO Judge sticker on the glove box and got some Judge floor mats in it, but it's to me, it's more a desirable car than a Judge. It's a 455 Ram Air 3 4-speed car, so it needs to be sold that way. Like I say, it's just an absolute gorgeous car. Start it up here quick. Tilt steering column. horn works, wipers work. Oh, you might die. About out of gas, so it says. Hopefully I have enough to get to take you for a little test drive here real quick. Headlights, turn signal. There we go. Car sounds great. Runs great. There's Nell Nell. Hi, baby girl. She's my baby. Aren't ya? Aren't ya? Yeah. Turn signal, tail lights, license plate light. Rear spoiler. What a gorgeous car. Take it out for a little cruise here quick. List that gold 72 Judge here in just a minute, or GTO here in just a minute. That's a 72 400 4-speed car.